A town covers an area of 4.36 square miles. We need to find this area in square yards. We know that 1 mile equals 1,160 yards. To convert square miles to square yards, we must square the conversion factor. Since 1 mile is 1,760 yards, 1 square mile is 1,760 yards times 1,760 yards, which is 1,760 square yards. 1,760 squared is 3,097,600. So, 1 square mile equals 3,097,600 square yards. To find the area of the town, we multiply its area in square miles by this value, 4,136 times 3,097,600. This calculation gives us 13,495,576 square yards. For a quick check or to eliminate incorrect options, we can estimate 1,760 is close to 1,800. So 1 square mile is approximately 1,800 times 1,800 square yards, which is 3,000 to 40,000 square yards. The town is about 4 square miles. Multiplying 4 by our estimate of 3,240,000 gives us approximately 12,960,000 square yards. This estimate is close to the exact answer and helps confirm our detailed calculation or narrow down choices.